Buongiorno a tutti. Benvenuti a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson, you have learned plural nouns. There was also a question. What is the plural form of tazza? A. Tazzi. B. Tazze. The correct answer is B. Tazze. In today's lesson, I will teach some adjectives. Let's start. I will syllabify each sentence and repeat it 3 times. Please repeat after me. Angry. Arrabbiato. 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 Tired. Stanco. 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 Worried. Preoccupato. 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 Bored. Annoiato. 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 Happy. Felice. 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 Sad. Triste. 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 You need to use the verb to be, essere, when you make sentences with these adjectives. I will use Italian alphabet to explain the grammar rules for adjectives. In Italian, there are 2 groups of adjectives. Those ending in O and those ending in E. But the adjective changes its ending in relation to gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural. Now let's have a look at how the first group of adjectives, which end in O, change its ending. The ending for masculine singular is O, like arrabbiato, stanco, preoccupato, annoiato. The ending for feminine singular is A, like arrabbiata, stanca, preoccupata, annoiata. The ending for masculine plural is I, arrabbiati, stanchi, preoccupati, annoiati. The ending for feminine plural is E, arrabbiate, stanche, preoccupate, annoiate. Pay attention to these sentences, please. Oliver è stanco. Emma è stanca. Jack e Thomas sono stanchi. Emily e Lucy sono stanche. As you can see, the adjective changes ending in relation to the subject of the sentence, male or female, and to the number of people, one or more than one. Let's move on to the second group of adjectives which end in "e". The ending for masculine singular and feminine singular is both "e", like felice, triste. The ending for masculine plural and feminine plural is "i", like felici, tristi. Listen to these sentences. Elena è triste. George e James sono tristi. Let's review the lesson quickly. Angry, arrabbiato. Tired, stanco. Worried, preoccupato. Bored, annoiato. Happy, felice. Sad, triste. These adjectives end either in "o" or in "e". When you make sentences, these adjectives change its ending in relation to gender and number of the subject. The first group of adjectives which end in "o" change their ending in this way. O for masculine singular. A for feminine singular. I for masculine plural. E for feminine plural. For the second group of adjectives which end in "e", their respective ending is E for both masculine and feminine singular. I for both masculine plural and feminine plural. Now I have a quiz for you. How do we say we are happy? A. Siamo felici. B. Siamo felici. You can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. My Instagram is learn_Italian20, where you can find also the slides of this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app, please. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach indefinite articles. Grazie, arrivederci.